Which animal is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Elephant. C. Horse. D. Kangaroo. The correct answer is cheetah. What do pandas primarily eat? A. Fish. B. Bamboo. C. Insects. D. Fruits. The correct answer is bamboo. Which bird is known for its colourful feathers and can mimic sounds? A. Eagle. B. Penguin. C. Parrot. D. Owl. The correct answer is parrot. Which animal is famous for its long neck? A. Zebra. B. Giraffe. C. Rhinoceros. D. Camel. The correct answer is giraffe. What type of animal is a dolphin? A. Fish. B. Mammal. C. Bird. D. Reptile. The correct answer is mammal.